Hi guys, so if you remember, I did a hair dyeing series back in October and November, and I promised I'd make a tutorial for how to do it, so yeah, here it is. The link to my hair dyeing series playlist is in the description. Also, I still have 2 more episodes of it that I haven't posted yet, so tell me if you want me to continue it. Okay, now I'll get into the tutorial. Okay, so first make sure you imported the picture of the person that you wanted to dye their hair. Then go to the selection layer so that you can select all the hair. I use the felt tip pen hard brush to do that. Okay, so this next part where you select all the hair takes a really long time and it takes a lot of patience. So I'm just gonna speed this part up. Okay, so I sped it up to this part because I don't think you would want to watch the whole thing where I was selecting all the hair. So then you want to go to a layer above the person, and I use felt tip pen hard brush throughout this whole thing. So then you want to select the colors that you want to dye the hair. I'm using black as an example, and I go from light to dark so that I can give the hair like more dynamic, I guess. Don't worry about this part, I just accidentally had alpha lock on for some reason. So when you color like the whole thing, it'll only go to the hair because we selected only the hair. And then I'm gonna get a darker gray, so it gets darker going down and it like gives it shading, I guess. I don't know what words to use, guys. Then we have to get a darker gray, and it's getting closer to black because the bottom is gonna be the darkest shade out of the colors. Yeah, and then we have to get a darker gray that's like almost black. Okay, like I don't want these parts to be silent, but I don't know what to say now. Like, okay, a darker gray. Oh, that's black now. Yeah, black, the final part. Let's go, finally. Yeah, so we're on the lowest layer, that's the darkest, and it's black for me. So then we have to blur it so that it actually looks good when we actually do the dyeing part. Not like death, but like hair dyeing part. I'm gonna continue blurring with it for I don't know how much longer. But yeah, just blurring it so that it looks good. Okay, good. The blurring is done. Now it's time for the actual hair dyeing part. So go to layers and click normal and then scroll down. Scroll down. And press soft light. Yeah, and now it's black. And in my videos, I just erased the selection layer just to do the final reveal part. And yeah, the hair's dyed now. And I'm just showing you the before and after. Please like and subscribe. Bye!